Today we're going to install reverse light LEDs on our 2022 Silverado. The same install process applies for 2019 through 2026 Silverado models. These LED bulbs are a huge upgrade over the factory halogens. For today's install, you're just going to need the bulbs here and a T15 torque screwdriver. To start, we'll have two screws on the left side here, one here and one here. Once you get these screws out, you'll grab the tail light and give it a little tug away from the bed of the truck. The reverse bulb is the second one from the top. Take the wiring harness and give it a counterclockwise turn. Once you have the plug in your hand, simply pull the bulb out, grab your new LED bulb, put it back in the plug, put it back in the hole, give it a clockwise turn. Next you'll see these two support anchors. You'll put them back in the bed of the truck. You'll see an orange circular hole to insert them in. Put them in that hole and push the tail light back in place. Reinsert the two screws, tighten them down. And that's all it takes to upgrade your stock halogens to brighter, safer LED lighting. You can get these LED bulbs and all your Silverado lighting upgrades from Silverado LEDs, where everything is built for Silverado owners by Silverado owners. We are a family-owned and operated company right here in the US. Upgrade your Silverado today at silveradoleds.com. If this video helped, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest install videos, new product launches, and Silverado upgrades. And don't forget, we are built to light your way.